Hey, hello everyone. This is Professor Nilesh Anandwani. Welcomes you from the NET-CET exam preparation. Friends, you might be knowing that I have uploaded the answer key of section A, section B and section C of life science. And there is one video is there for the 1 hour and 6 minutes, which includes A, B, C section all together, 145 questions. 20 questions from the part A, 50 questions from the part B and 75 questions from part C. Everyone knows that the answer key is already uploaded on the website, but it is very difficult to analyze the answer key. Really, it's very difficult to analyze the answer key because the number of question and the number of answer is given in one code language and we have to decode it. And it's very difficult to understand coding and decoding language of a question paper. So therefore I am requesting from bottom of my heart, I have uploaded answer key of a life science. If you need answer key of a chemical science, earth science, physical science and mathematical science, then what you do? Previously there was an offline paper, so I was requesting you to send me the question paper. But now what you can do, just WhatsApp me your application, you can say application number and your date of birth. Your application number and date of birth from this 4 subject discipline. I am from the life science department, therefore I have and several friends of mine are from life science department. So I have got the application number and date of birth for you can say getting the question paper of life science, but I don't get the you can say question paper from the chemical science, mathematical science, physical science and earth science. So I am requesting you, if you are from any of these 4 subjects, just send me your application number and you can say date of birth so that I can download the question paper and I will upload the answer key as soon as possible. So guys, this is Professor Nilesh Anandwani from NET-CET exam preparation. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. मेरे वीडियो आप सभी के मोबाइल में सबसे इजीली पहुंच जाएंगे अगर आप मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हो और बेल आइकन को दबाते हो. तो मैं पूरे के पूरे वीडियो A, B, C सेक्शन पूरे के पूरे बना रहा हूँ, सभी सब्जेक्ट के बना रहा हूँ. दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं है और क्वेश्चन पेपर लाने के लिए मुझे एप्लीकेशन नंबर और व्हाट्सएप एप्लीकेशन नंबर और सिर्फ डेट ऑफ बर्थ चाहिए. कोई भी 4 कैंडिडेट अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट में अगर मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देते हैं अपना एप्लीकेशन नंबर और यू कैन से डेट ऑफ बर्थ, देन प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व. मैं सिर्फ एक दिन के अंदर ही ये आंसर की अपलोड कर दूंगा. This is Professor Nilesh Anandwani from NET-CET exam preparation. Mobile number is 9028179848. 9028179848. Thank you so much.